GoPro, start recording. Landed right on something right there. He said, "Zoop." Didn't care for that. First fish. Definitely a keeper. Nice. Yeah. $180. Another one right there. Little guy. Ooh. Woo. Alright, what's two here in a small area? Oh, we found a little something here. Oh, the carp are starting to spawn. Whoop-de-doo. There's one live bass. Let's see if there's a bunch of them. I'm just out here getting rained on. Okay. I don't know what that was all about, but I don't think it was a bass. It looks like the rain's let up a bit. I just figure out what to do to get a bite. I'll be a lot better off.
Guns, uniforms, everything. They're going to go in there, take it over, and steal all those supplies so they can continue fighting this war. So they're getting ready to take off, and 234 seemingly random dudes show up with guns. These guys are like, some of them are wearing civilian clothing with like hunting coats. Some of them are wearing blue coats. Some of them have green coats. It's just this ragtag crew of dudes with guns, and they are under the command of Captain Samuel Nicholas. And these are America's first Marines, literally men recruited out of a bar, Ton Tavern, a few months prior, and they're coming too. The Marine Corps just got founded. They don't even have official uniforms yet.
There we go. Off he goes.
Across the Delaware River on Christmas. Now at this point, John Paul Jones is kicking ass, right? He's doing more for the war effort on the naval front than literally anyone else in the entire U.S. Navy. And in his mind, he's thinking, they're going to make me the first admiral in American history. This is going to be fucking awesome. He gets back to Boston. He finds out not only is he not going to be made an admiral, he's actually getting demoted. Apparently, in John Paul Jones' absence, aka while he was out winning a war, the government decided that they should have a comprehensive list of the naval officers and how important they are, and base rank off of that. For some reason, Jones is ranked 18th.
Woohoo!
And every
Good
single
Lord.
man ranked higher than him on this list is ranked that high because
Oh,
they're
that's a good
either
one.
friends with somebody or they're somebody's kid. Basically, it's the same bullshit the British were doing with their aristocracy. They're rewarding
Okay,
and not
okay.
ability and merit and getting a fucking job done. So John Paul Jones is absolutely pissed. They take away the USS Alfred and they give him a smaller suite called the USS Ranger and give him orders to sail to France
Gotcha.
and then meet up with Benjamin Franklin, where he is supposedly going to pick up a new frigate, an actual warship with a ton of guns. So there's a little bit of the
Oh yeah. Finally. Get a good fish. $3.10. Oh, $3.15. All right. Nice. GoPro, start recording. Ooh. Oh boy. He's a good one. Get out of there. Get in the net. Whew. Whew. Down the gullet. This one might be fun to get out. But talk about more fun to catch. Whew. That's a good one. Got it. Nice one. $4.27. Nice one. I got another one. Little guy.